Home to 30 employees, the National Beta office is where all the beta magic happens. When you call us, this is where you're calling.
Every school in every county, in every state, and every nation is helped by the small group of people who are highly dedicated to Beta, its mission, and you.
Let's go inside and check it out. 151 Beta Club Way is comprised of 3 floors. We're going to start on floor 2. This is home to our receptionists. They keep us all straight, help us going in the right direction. This is our conference room. It's where we have our staff meetings and other meetings. Right now, you'll see that our convention team is working hard on planning conventions along with our CEO at the end of the table. Let's head downstairs. This area serves many important purposes. It houses all the materials for the different departments, but it's also home to our production team. Going up, welcome to the 3rd floor, the home of our CEO, as well as our membership team, marketing team, IT team, and finance team. Let's go see if everyone's in their office. Hey, Kimmy. How are you? Good. Hey, Anna. Hey. How's it going? Good. Hey, Jay. How are you? Good. Hey, Courtney. How's it going? Good. Good to see you. Let's go check out the warehouse. Anything you order comes from this building. Certificates, pins, shirts, graduation, induction, you name it, it's being packaged and shipped here. Thanks for joining me today as we check out Beta's and my hometown of Spartanburg, South Carolina. Come join us one day. I think I might walk back down the road and get some of those house noodles. They're calling my name. See you later, guys.